Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So back to school. Easter has finished. I'm ironing my kids' clothes. This is almost 7. That is the work of being a mother. Wake up and start crying, Daddy. How is your families? How is everyone around you? We are hurrying up to go to school. The girls are preparing their breakfast by themselves while I am here ironing their clothes. While they do that, me, I'm busy. I iron the clothes here and here. It's not up to 7 o'clock. It's not yet 7 o'clock. I'm just hurrying up, like, guys, need to be fast. There is something I'm looking for, but I can't find it. Are you surprised? You don't have to be surprised. I'm even going to do video today, Seth. I'll be doing about 2 videos today. I posted 1 video this morning. It's 7 o'clock now. Today, my pregnancy live vlog. I'm going to do a video, so it's not going to be a vlog. It's a video, normal video, so both Instagram and you guys. My Instagram now is a hot cake. My Instagram is a hot cake. If you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing a lot. Just type by Chinny's menu, then I'll appear immediately. Just go and follow me on my Instagram so that you won't be missing any updates. I'm now fully, I don't know if I can say that I'm fully back to social media or if I'm going to be gone for a while. The truth is that I'm fully back to social media. Yes, I'm fully back. I'm back. I'm prepared for content creation. All done and dusted by the grace of God. So let's create content, guys. Let's create the creating. Let's do the creation. Rather follow me on my Facebook page so that you'll be receiving some updates. Because there are things I post on my Instagram that I don't quickly post on my YouTube. Just make sure you are following me in both so that you'll be missing everything. Alright guys, so this one is ready. I want to color my hair. I want to put blue color. What do you guys think? This one, let me show you guys the color. Blue color we have. I'm trying to mix it in the oxygen. Like guys, this is exactly like my car color. I can't even imagine this. Like guys, look at that. Is this how I'm going to look like? That's so good though. This is my hair. This is how my hair looks like. Okay, I've not washed it, so I put it around 11 o'clock. I'm gonna leave it for at least an hour plus or half an hour. Okay, I applied down here. It's itching me, so I don't know how to itch it. Okay, so this is what we have going on, guys. Ooh, yeah. I am so happy. Okay, this is exactly my car color. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to give your hair a blue color. I love it. No, the fact that is my car color gives me joy. Like guys, I really love it. But actually, I don't know if the result is gonna be like this, but I don't know. But I'll still let you guys know the final look. Okay, what do you guys think? Yeah or no? Let me know if the yellow one is the best or this blue one. Just let me know which one is the best. Okay,
2,000 years later.
guys. Let me show you guys the result. I'm like, what did I do in my hair? What did I put in my hair, guys? I don't know because I don't know why. Because explain to me what I did to my hair, guys. Oh my god, I'm so ashamed to show this. Like, this is not what I bargained, and like, it's not what I want. Let me just show you guys. Okay, it's one of the risks you take when you are coloring your hair at home, because sometimes what you plan to get, what you want, might not actually come out the way you want it, and mostly if you are not a pro on it. Okay, so let me just show you guys the final result. Oh my god, this is it. I'm just like Nigerian footballers. This is how Nigerian footballers do their hair. Okay, I don't know if it's a green, like my daughter has been laughing since I don't know if it's a green. And the worst part is that this side is yellow. I'm just like a footballer. What do you guys think? This is not actually what I want. I wanted it that color, but it ended up giving me this. Like, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Which means I'll leave it like this. When next I put on color again, I'll still put the same color. Maybe gradually it will give me what I want. This is not what I want to. Okay, let's say in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to put the same color, okay? I don't know how I'm going to go out with this. Some parts yellow, some parts green. You know when you work so hard, like when you want something, you work so hard and you are not getting it. I'm not angry, I'm not mad. I don't know how I feel. I don't even see the back. I don't even know how the back looks like. I actually covered my hair because I'm ashamed. I don't know how I look like in this hair, guys. Honestly, I don't really know. But let me show you guys. That's how the hair looks like, guys. If you're outside, this is how it looks like. Actually, I'm going to the supermarket. I don't want to carry the car because it's not giving me what I want. I don't know. Some parts are yellow, some parts are green. I just like I'm having 2 different colors on my hair. Like, I can't really say. That's why I cover it with this scarf, guys, until I figure out how to match it with my cloth. Good things. Did I go back to the yellow or I stick to this? Actually. So guys, I have finished my hair. This is the hair here. I did a video about it some minutes ago. I just finished. And yeah, I hope you guys will like the hair. Oh my God. Time to pray. Okay, so actually this hair I got it from Lumina and is a very nice hair. Oh, the reason I choose the shorter part is because I don't like something that will be touching my neck, and mostly you guys know I have a new baby. So imagine carrying your baby and your wig is long. You'll be like, baby, don't eat the hair, baby, don't eat the hair, or you'll be dragging the hair with the baby. So I don't want that. I like to respect myself. So when baby is grown and baby can now walk, do everything all by herself, then I can actually get myself long wig, and I hope you guys like it. I want to bake something for my girls, my kids. They say they want to eat puff puff, so that is what we are preparing. Yeah, let's prepare it together. So but before that, this is the medicine that they gave me in the hospital here. This medicine right here, this blood tonic, this is actually how the blood tonic looks like. It's watery, just like this. Since they gave it me last 2 months that I gave birth, I forgot, guys. Like, I forgot that I have this medicine. But the good side of it is that it's going to expire on the 2nd of February, which is on February 2026. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with the autofocus system of this. I don't know what I was looking for yesterday, and I came across it, and I'm like, what? And I believe they gave me this the same money, the very money that I was leaving the hospital. That was when they gave it to me. You break it with your hand. But when it comes to breaking this, oops, I'm always afraid and always careful, guys, because this is bottle. This is not something that you just, not plastic. So you have to pour it inside your mouth. It doesn't come out immediately, but you suck it, it will come out. It's all out. It's finished. Nothing is inside again. Oh my God, I can't believe that I still have this medicine, honestly speaking. It's very nice though. It's a blood medicine that hospital do give. You know, blood tonic, it doesn't taste great. So this is our basin for baking. All right. I also have this mixer here. Depends on the quantity of what I want to do, so decide to use this. So inside here, I have my farina. I'm going to use this farina. This is for all-purpose farina. So these are the semola that we eat. And here we have lentils. So yeah, this is what I'm using for my puff. So, oh yeah. This is where my fruit is. I want to take butter. So my butter has finished. And I want to take... Puff is yeast. You use yeast, guys. I was almost thinking, like, is it this? So this is my yeast. I have big ones here. This is my yeast. I have a different type. I have the powder one as well, but I just want to use this one. Maybe next time I'll try off with this powder one, but this is instant one. And since puff, let me even try this. Let me try this. Let me give it a try, guys. Yeah, it's powder though. You use it instantly, so yeah, let me try it. So some minutes ago, these are the ingredients that I just brought out here. I'm going to try this yeast. It's a powdered one already, like instant yeast. So I'm gonna try it out and let's see how it goes. Yeah, so first off, I need to wear my hand glove, of course. So this is the dough. After mixing it, this is what we have going on. It didn't rise because I used the instant yeast. You don't need to wait for it to rise. You don't need to spend much time. You just use it, mix it thoroughly, and start applying it. Okay, so that is what the instant yeast does. So if you actually want to see how I mix my dough, kindly use the link in my bio to go to my Instagram page, and you will see the process I mix the things. Then you will see everything you need to know about puff. Okay, if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing. I am back. I am fully back to content creation. The oil is getting ready. It's getting hot. The moment I don't have the cutter, you can use your finger to do that. I don't know how to say this, but I must definitely say it. Today, I went to pick my other daughter. She was staring at me like she haven't seen me before, guys. Like, she was so looking at me. And now this same girl is doing the same thing. She's looking at me so much. I don't know what happened, guys. And she was like, she started from the school. Oh my God. She said, what? Why did you fix this hair, mommy? Why did you... Like... Am I under your custody? Hey, baby, am I under your custody? Like, guys, I don't know what I did to this girl. So they have been looking at me. It's only the third baby that didn't even do as if he knows what is going on. But you see this girl here, as he don't know anything. But two of them, the other one, she's at home with baby, and this guy here, like, guys, she has been staring at me. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I wish I can record and drive. You guys would have seen how she has been staring at me. She wants to touch the hair. Like, I've been wearing wig all this while, but I don't know why this one is surprising them. I don't know why this one is surprising them so much. Like, I don't know. Do you like the hair? Do you like the hair? You don't like it? So I should remove it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put the one that is long.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll just do as you said. I
Don't
know how I'm going to remove it. Baby said you should stop touching me, so stop touching me. Alright, guys, I'm gonna hop inside because little baby is crying. We need to eat our puff because we are finished frying it. So I quickly ran to pick them.
Fry puff?
She didn't know. I don't know why I spill out the... Yes, I did.
Mommy.
So let's go home and eat. You're excited, huh? Alright, let's go. Let's go
Why
and
is
eat.
it puff and buns puff buns and puff and buns?
Boo, because that's the one I know how to do.
Now this will be bread and pizza.
Okay, we will do that as soon as possible. Okay? Alright, let's hop in. Let's go. Ciao. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog for today. Dun dun. Can you guys see that? This is what I want to eat this morning. It's not that Not actually what I'm supposed to eat, but this is what hungries me. I cooked this banga yesterday. I have a shaki kanda. I cooked it yesterday in my vlog. I did the vlog, okay? So I didn't eat it yesterday because I ended up eating my pounded yam in around that 4 o'clock. I didn't eat any other food. But this morning when I warmed this banga, oh my god, like guys, the smell was so good. Like I can't resist it. I decided that this is what I want to eat this morning. So as it's hot, I want to quickly push it down to my tummy. Oh my god, I am so excited that I'm going to eat this. I can't wait to test it. So at the same time, I was even asking my kids if this right here is yummy, because they are the one that ate it yesterday. I didn't eat it yesterday. So they said, yeah, mommy, is very delicious. Try to eat it so that you see how it tastes. So I'm gonna get this to put my camera, because this camera needs to be positioned. Oh yeah, let me pick this up. Food is ready. Yeah, the food is ready. You guys should come and eat. When I put that, it's not enough to hold it. My god, this banga will be so delicious, guys. Look at that. Look at it. It's so yummy. Look at it. It's yummy. Because I was okay with the insala soup I cooked yesterday. Wow. No wonder my daughter said that it's delicious. I should try it out. Yesterday, when I was eating my ofe nsala, my white soup, the goat meat I was eating gave me an injury up here. I want to quickly put food in my tummy so that I'm going to the mechanic. Erichagum. I finished eating. Erisigum. I'm preparing to go and change my tires. So guys, I'm ready to go and change my tires because on Friday I had a flat tire. So I mistakenly hit when I was diverting to another road, so the car mistakenly hit to close to the wall and the tire burst. I took it to the mechanic. They changed it with the one that it came with. Then I asked the mechanic man, the person that occupies, for tires. So I asked the person, this tire here, how much am I going to use and change it? So he told me that I have to change the two. I was like, what? Just only one tire? Then I have to change the 2 tires. So he said I should come Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. I'm basically going there now to go and change it. So I am taking my kids with me. Just look at that. Look at that lashes. No lashes, no little touch of makeup does not make you look good. Okay. Yeah, so this is my Chaka, my best friend during all my pregnancies. Of course, I'll see you guys later.